In this lab, we'll estimate the amount of calories in a food sample by using the specific heat of water. In this experiment, I'll be using cheese balls. First, you want to obtain your food sample and put it onto the cork provided. Then, you want to obtain an Erlenmeyer flask and fill it with distilled water. It is up to you to decide how much water to use, but if you use too much, there won't be a large increase in temperature. You also want to make sure the thermometer will be submerged in the water. Record the amount of water used. Add some soap water to the bottom of the Erlenmeyer flask to make it easier to clean off the burn residue. Attach the flask to the heating chamber. Put the thermometer into the flask and place the food sample into the heating chamber. Using a grill lighter, attempt to set the food item on fire. Remember not to leave the butane lighter on for too long, otherwise the burning gas might throw off your measurements. Record the highest temperature reached by the thermometer. While the food is burning, it may be useful to use an IR camera to determine where the heat is escaping from. After the food has stopped burning, carefully pick up the food item and the cork and weigh the final mass. Subtracting this from the initial mass will give you the amount of food burned. Using this mass, calculate the heat of the water. This heat should be an estimate of the amount of calories given off by the burning of the food. Calculate the kilocalories per gram of food and compare it to the packaging or accepted value.